Hello guys, myself Dr. Nagpure and right now I am at CSIR-National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. With me, we have Hon'ble Dr. Devaraj. Dr. Devaraj sir has obtained his Ph.D. from NCL Pune itself, and furthermore he went for Post-Doc in South Korea as well as in China. Right now, Dr. Devaraj sir is currently working as Research Associate at CSIR-NCL Pune. Today's discussion is basically on photocatalysis, and Dr. Devaraj sir has enormous experience on photocatalysis. I request Dr. Devaraj sir, please highlight the work of photocatalysis. Please sir.
Yeah, thank you for Dr. Atul Nagpure to introduce me. Actually, the term of photocatalysis. Photocatalysis is nothing but the photo reaction is happening in the presence of catalysis. So here there are many parameters in the photocatalysis. The mainly first one is that the photocatalysis should stable as well as it should absorb the maximum of the visible light, because in the entire world we are having plenty of visible light, around 45%. So our photocatalysis should absorb the visible light. Then in next parameter, this after absorbing the visible light, the photocatalyst producing the electrons and holes. These charge carriers should penetrate and go to the surface of the photocatalyst. Then third one, it should be effectively the reaction is happening on the surface. But we are facing a lot of problem in the photocatalyst, and this should be in a effective way synthesis actually. So here throughout my research career, I have synthesized and developed and engineered many effective photocatalysts, and we are doing the hydrogen generation reactions and CO2 reduction reactions and the degradation of harmful chemicals. Here in India, our Honorable Modi ji also announced the hydrogen project. That is, hydrogen is a green energy fuel. So here in environment, we are having plenty of carbon dioxide due to the fossil usage of lot of fossil fuels. So this will increase the global warming as well as environmental pollution. To reduce that, we are using the green technology, photocatalysis, for generation of hydrogen. I developed many photocatalysts, among that TiO2 and zinc sulfide, as well as the heterojunctions, and there are many. So this material should be absorbing the visible light and effectively utilized for the reactions.
So please now for viewer, if material should be active in a photocatalysis, what kind of physical characteristics that material should have so we can carry out photocatalysis?
Yeah, as I said earlier, the importance of this material should be it should absorb the visible light, because we have plenty of visible light in the entire world, and around 45%. So if it works in the visible light, that will be the effective. So means sun is shining the visible light means entirely, as well as if you are able to utilize that light efficiently, that will be the effective.
Okay. So now sir, tell me, if you are discussing about the current energy problem what world is facing, how photocatalysis and how this new method can helpful as an alternative for current fuel problem?
Yeah. So here currently we are using a lot of fossil fuels. It generates a lot of greenhouse gases. For example, CO2, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen oxide. There are many greenhouse gases. It is evolving. And if you are go for hydrogen generation, this is not generating any other greenhouse gases. It only gives the energy, as well as it will not give, like as I said earlier, it's not give the other greenhouse gases. So if you go for this technology, so this is a kind of green technology. If you go for that, we can mostly reduce the greenhouse gases, as well as our world becomes the green world actually.
Yes, fine. So, sir, can you please explain for our viewer what kind of energy band gap we require to be active as a photocatalyst?
Yeah. So to active the photocatalysis and the reaction, the reaction is it means the conduction band and valence band position of the photocatalysis is depends upon the reaction. For instance, if you go for the hydrogen production, the conduction band of the photocatalyst should be almost reduction potential of the hydrogen. It is like zero reduction potential. Okay. So if the material having the zero reduction potential, so that will be suitable for the reduction of the proton. So finally we will end up with the hydrogen.
Yeah, fine. So for your knowledge, guys, Dr. C.S. Gopinath sir, Deputy Director CSIR-NCL Pune, has worked enormously on photocatalysis. Thanks for watching, and I extend my sincere thanks on behalf of all viewers to Dr. Devaraji sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. See you.
Yeah.